जाती है. Put it in the chat box. Did you know that wristwatch can help you achieve your personal goals, your professional goals? And have you heard about something like wristwatch analysis and the therapy? Just put it in the chat box. Okay, Nitya has heard, I'm sure you do. Okay, Milan has not heard about it. Audrey heard about it. Okay. Yes. So today I'm going to tell you how a wristwatch can add more value in our life. How can it help us to achieve the dreams, achieve the goals that we have always been wanting in our life? So let's start. In case if you want to ask anything about when I'm teaching, you can just put it in the chat box. And later at the end of session, we will have a Q&A where you can unmute yourself and ask me the question, okay? So let's learn about what is a wristwatch, how it can help us to achieve the goal.
सेंड रिक्वेस्ट लिखा है बस.
I am going to mute everybody so
हाँ,
nobody
व्हाट्स दिस
will
फॉर?
disturb. Okay, so I'm going to mute everybody so nobody is going to be disturbed. And please put your camera on, guys. Matlab, I'm happy that Sunday morning आपने time निकाला to attend this webinar where I'm going to share a lot of knowledge, but it'll be nice to see your beautiful faces on the camera. Before we move ahead with today's webinar, remember, a half empty glass holds the potential to absorb more knowledge. So I request you to not come with the preset knowledge. मैंने YouTube में वीडियो देखा है, मैंने इनके बारे में सुना है, मैंने इनके वेबसाइट में देखा है that wristwatch is this. So come with an open mind. When you come with an open mind and when you have your glass half empty, you will see that you can embrace new ideas, you can absorb more knowledge, you can learn more things. But अगर मतलब I call it दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी बीमारी कि मुझे सब आता है, I know everything. The moment I feel that, you will see that you are not able to understand the subject completely. So my request is to have an open mind so we can absorb more ideas and more knowledge from today's session. I will be sharing my insights and experience about wristwatch analysis. So I have been into this industry for over 4+ years. So जो भी मैं आपको बोलने वाली हूँ ये मेरे experiences ये मेरी wristwatch analysis जिनसे भी मैंने जो मेरे mentor रहे हैं जितने लोगों की मैंने analysis करी है उसके बारे में ये knowledge है. और वही नॉलेज मैं आप लोग को दे रही हूँ. सो इट्स नॉट लाइक हम इसको कंपेयर नहीं करेंगे, इसने ऐसा बताया है उसने वैसा बताया है. सो आई वॉन्ट यू टू हैव द कंप्लीट ओपन माइंड. Okay, before we move ahead, this is very, very important. The power of wristwatch. Why wristwatch? Why is it so important? ये हमारी लाइफ का एक इम्पोर्टेंट हिस्सा क्यों है? Before that, just let me know, are you comfortable with Hindi and English both languages or you want me to use only English? Just let me know in the chat box. Both. Okay. Both are fine. Great. So there's nobody who understands, who do not understand Hindi, right? Okay, super. So we move ahead with both the languages. A wristwatch is not just a piece of jewelry. It is more than that. जिसे wristwatch का आवाज होता है, it ticks like a जो घड़ी की आवाज होती है, ticking वाली आवाज, ये हमारे हार्ट बीट को मिरर करती है. So wristwatch is more than just a accessory. It reflects your subconscious mind, What is going on in your subconscious mind? How are you planning your goals? Are you really planning it well? आपकी personality कैसी है? Say for example, somebody wants to earn 1 crore, but do they really have that kind of mindset? Do they really have that kind of subconscious image कि वो 1 crore कमा सकते हैं? ये सब कुछ हमें एक रिसर्च से समझ आता है. It can help you to organize your time and align with your goals. And this is a very, very important step. If I am not aligned with my goals and I'm not aligned with my time, मेरा action orientedness affect हो जाता है. People are not able to take actions when their time is not aligned and when they are not aligned with your goals. Hence, wristwatch has that kind of power where it can help you to align yourself, align your time. टाइम को हम हिंदी में काल भी कहते हैं. सो वी नो दैट देर इज अ गॉड काल भैरव हु इज only watching the काल and who is only helping us to align our time, and he keeps a watch कि हम क्या करते हैं, what are the karmas we are doing, what are the actions we are doing. So wristwatch also has that power to align you with your time and goals. What is the purpose? मतलब हम सीखे क्यों? It is very important. कोई भी subject हम जब सीखते हैं, whenever we learn any subject, it is very important for us to know that why we have to learn it. Whenever our why becomes clear, how, what, ये सब कुछ automatically हमें आ जाता है. So why has to be very, very clear that why are we learning this? For example, whenever we go to meet someone or whenever someone goes for a job interview, they will always research about that company. What is the company doing? Unka product kya hai? Who are their clients? So in the same way, it is very important when you're learning about a subject, you must know the purpose of it. So what is the purpose of learning about a wristwatch? Learning about your wristwatch का purpose एक the sole purpose is to have to manifest your dreams while improving your finances, relationship, and personality. Most of our problems is around finances, relationship, and personality. Do you agree with me? Put it in the chat box. जनरली वॉट एवर वी स्पीक एवरी डे, वॉट एवर प्रॉब्लम्स हम बात करते हैं, इट्स रिलेटेड टू हेल्थ, रिलेशनशिप, मनी और करियर और अबाउट पर्सनैलिटी. ये बंदा ऐसा है, वो ऐसी है, वो तो ऐसे दिखती है, वो ऐसे कपड़े पहनती है. सो इस अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस वी डोंट स्पीक एनीथिंग एल्स. So which is why learning a wristwatch becomes very, very, very important. The secret, if you select a right wristwatch, it can help you to beat the procrastination. It will help you to value your time. When you value your time, people will start valuing your time. If you are not valuing yourself, your time, people will take you very casually. They may not want to meet you. They may not want to be with you. They may not want to have a business with you. How many of you are in job or business? आप क्या करते हो? So what do you do? Are you in a job or a business? Just let me know in the chat box. Job. Ruchi says job. Milan says business. What else? Come on. Kritika is in business. Okay. Homemaker, job. Okay. So most of our people, most of you are doing some kind of job, business, or a consultant. And for everybody, even for a homemaker, the time is very valuable, right? The time is very important. बच्चों को स्कूल पे टाइम जाना है, हस्बैंड को टाइम पे जॉब जाना है. मे बी इफ देर आर ओल्ड पीपल इन आर होम, उनको दवाई टाइम पे देनी है, खाना टाइम पे होना है. सो टाइम बिकम्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एवरीवेयर. You, if you are not valuing time, the time will not value you. Hence, it is very, very important to have a right kind of wristwatch. Why? Because only when we value ourselves and our time, we will be able to achieve our goals, because we will be able to do the things on time. हम deadlines को meet कर सकते हैं. हम हमारा time पे काम कर सकते हैं. If we are giving a meeting to somebody, if we are not reaching on time, the person will think that अरे इसके साथ business ही नहीं करना है मुझे, ये तो खुद time पे नहीं आता है. देर हैव बीन एक्सपीरियंसेस लाइक दिस, राइट? आपकी लाइफ में ऐसे कभी हुआ होगा जब लोगों ने बोला होगा कि बहुत कैजुअल है, पंचुअल नहीं है, आगे कैसे करेंगे, आप तो मेरे साथ ही टाइम पे नहीं मिलते हो, आप अपने क्लाइंट्स को कैसे संभालोगे? सो दीज आर द काइंड ऑफ इमेजेस दैट पीपल स्टार्ट बिल्डिंग अबाउट यू. And hence, having a wristwatch, a right wristwatch, helps you to come out of all of these obstacles. The power of wristwatch. एस्ट्रोलॉजी में 12 घर होते हैं. वी हैव 12 हाउसेस. मैंने किसी की भी कुंडली में 12 घर होते हैं, और हमारे रिस्ट वॉच में 12 नंबर होते हैं. और यही 12 नंबर हमारी प्लैनेट्स, हमारी एनर्जी को बताते हैं. So, wristwatch may can also be chosen on the basis of astrology, on the basis of your date of birth, on the basis of what you want to do. So it is very much similar that astrology also studies the time. Astrology studies about planetary movement, how the planet is transiting from one house to the other house. Which planet is very active right now? So you must have heard astrologers आपको बोलते होंगे कि आपका ये ग्रह अस्त है, ये ग्रह बहुत स्ट्रांग है, ये ग्रह डेबिलिटेटेड है. तो ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें और एनालिसिस हमें एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स देते हैं, और यही चीज हम अलाइन कर सकते हैं हमारे एक सही रिस्ट वॉच में. The right wristwatch will help you to make things in your favor. Many people feel that I have everything, but the luck doesn't favor me. I know everything. I have all sort of contacts. I have all sort of tools. I have super amazing team, but still I'm not able to achieve what I want. I am not able to align myself. Some or the other obstacle happen. काफी बार ऐसा होता है, right? Our friends must have said, whenever I want to do the right thing, I get stuck in something. They are not able to move ahead. They keep getting obstacles whenever they want to do the right kind of thing. So this can help you to make things in your favor. It can help you to enhance your fortune, your luck, and your personality. It will make you that magnetic person, which will help you to unlock opportunities, boost your finances, and solving all the challenges that is coming with. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इज कि आप चैलेंजेस को कैसे हैंडल करते हो. इट्स नॉट लाइक हाउ यू हैंडल योर हैप्पी मोमेंट्स, यू आर हैप्पी एट दैट टाइम. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हाउ यू हैंडल योर चैलेंजेस. आर यू गेटिंग अपसेट दैट व्हाई एम आई बीइंग लाइक दिस? आर यू गोइंग इनटू अ विक्टिम माइंडसेट, or do you have a growth mindset? Which is why it is very important to have a right kind of wristwatch. Many a times people use their mobile these days. Like I started wearing a watch only after I learned about wristwatch. पहले मैं पहनती नहीं थी. So I used to use my mobile to see the time, and I was doing a lot of things only on the mobile. Whenever you use mobile, so every electronic device that we have, it represents Rahu Dev. That is Rahu element Rahu. उसको डोमिनेट करते हैं. बट जब भी हम रिस्ट वॉच पहनते हैं तो ये हमारे राहु, सैटर्न, मंगल तीनों ग्रह को बैलेंस करता है. सो वन पीस ऑफ एक्सेसरी कैन हेल्प यू बैलेंस थ्री ऑफ योर प्लैनेट्स, Saturn, Rahu, and Mangal. We will study on how Mangal, why Mangal, and this is the year of Mangal. 2025 का total आता है number 9, which is being ruled by Mangal, that is Mars. Relying on your phone all the time increases the digital energy. So it increases the Rahu Dev's energy in your life. इंटरेस्टिंगली जिन लोगों को रिस्ट वॉच पसंद ही नहीं है, कि हम पहनते ही नहीं है, आई डोंट वेयर रिस्ट वॉच, आई डोंट लाइक रिस्ट वॉच, such people will always have imbalance of Rahu and Saturn. They will always reflect the problems in this particular area. Great, Audrey, your number 9. Wearing one can harmonize these energies and bring surprising result. So, क्या होता है आजकल, like we have somebody who's an occult science practitioner. So when we give remedies, people don't want to do the remedies. They will do the remedies, they will do the chantings for only 3 days, 4 days, maximum 15 days, and after that they give up. But if we give them a right wristwatch, they will always wear it in their hand. So this is the way that they can harmonize the energy for surprising result. इसमें उन्हें कुछ भी नहीं करना है. They don't have to chant. They don't have to energize anything. A right wristwatch is already energized, and the moment you start wearing it, from the day one, you will start seeing changes. तो वो उतना फास्ट काम करता है. Minimum of 1 week you wear a wristwatch every day, and you will already start seeing changes, and you will be more closer towards your goal. पुराने ज़माने में, in ancient times, we know that people gave remedies like bracelet. Like even I'm wearing one, so I'm wearing a Panchadhatu Navagraha bracelet. So people give remedies like bracelet, dhaga, Mangal Sutra, gemstone, chains, which were analyzed as per your astrological chart. But with the advancement, so our energy keeps changing, the universe gives us more and more, and everything goes on, everything is ever evolving. So with this advancement, we have realized that even wristwatch and a wall clock it has energy, it has vibration, and it can help us to enhance the entire vastu by using a correct wall clock. It can help us to enhance the vastu. Wherever the space comes, the vastu is analyzed. So even with the wristwatch belt and a dial, the vastu is analyzed because it has a shape. So the directions play a very, very important role. So the advanced remedy and therapy is to have a right kind of wristwatch. So, how many of you don't wear a wristwatch? Let me know in the chat box. Is everybody wearing a wristwatch? So, okay, you can even raise your digital hand. Mansi ji nahi pehante hai watch. Not all the time. Okay, Audrey says not all the time. How about others? बाकी सब है session में or you guys are doing something else? I want to see more and more responses, guys. This is an interactive session. Okay, okay, okay. You wear almost 4 to 5 years. Okay, great. So, जो रिस्ट वॉच नहीं पहनते हैं, हमेशा नहीं पहनते हैं, डू यू थिंक दैट पीपल हु डोंट वेयर रिस्ट वॉच आर अनसक्सेसफुल? आपको ऐसा लगता है क्या कि जो रिस्ट वॉच नहीं पहनता है वो अनसक्सेसफुल है? सो इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. ऐसा ये दिस इज अ मिथ that successful people often wear a wristwatch, and people who don't wear a wristwatch, they are not going to be unsuccessful. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. People जो watch नहीं पहनते हैं वो भी successful हो सकते हैं, but they will struggle with time management and they will lack smoothness in their life. तो कुछ भी एकदम easily उनके life में होगा नहीं. So everyone who said that they don't wear a wristwatch, do you relate to it? Do you think that you're not able to manage your time? Some or the other thing keeps coming in. मेरी लाइफ एकदम स्मूथ नहीं है, कुछ ना कुछ ऑब्स्टिकल चैलेंज हर कदम कदम पे आता ही है. सो डू यू थिंक इट हैपेंस विथ यू इन योर लाइफ? द पीपल हु सेड दैट दे डोंट वेयर अ रिस्ट वॉच वेरी ऑफन. ओके, समटाइम्स ओके. नाउ वाई पीपल आर सक्सेसफुल जो वॉच नहीं पहनते? अब वो बहुत फैक्टर्स पे डिपेंड करेगा, राइट? वी हैव अ डेट ऑफ बर्थ, हमारा एस्ट्रोलॉजी, न्यूमरोलॉजी, राजयोग, सिल्वर योग, ये सब बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी होता है. तो अगर आप मुझसे ऐसा सवाल करोगे कि ये तो बंदा वॉच पहनता नहीं है, वो सक्सेसफुल कैसा है, तो मैं आपको बता नहीं पाऊंगी क्योंकि मैंने उसकी दशा चेक करी नहीं है. आई हैवंट चेक्ड हिज कुंडली, आई हैवंट चेक्ड हिज न्यूमरोलॉजी. I don't know what is his family background, and I don't know what exactly he is doing, where is he coming from. So I won't be able to give you a concrete answer for this because we haven't checked the 360 degree aspect. Wristwatch एक हिस्सा है इसका, अलाइन एनर्जीज अलाइन करने का. तो इसलिए जिन जिन लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि जो वॉच नहीं पहनते हैं फिर भी सक्सेसफुल है, तो एक रेमेडी आपके लिए है that you wear a right wristwatch to align time in your favor. अगर आपने टाइम को जीत लिया तो आप समझो कि ये जग आपने जीत लिया. सो दिस वी हैव बीन लिसनिंग टू दिस। कई बार हमारे एल्डर्स, हमारे फैमिली वाले भी बोलते हैं, अरे टाइम पे खाना खाया कर, टाइम पे सोया कर, डू थिंग्स ऑन टाइम, गो टू स्कूल ऑन टाइम, गो टू ऑफिस ऑन टाइम। व्हाई डू वी हैव सच थिंग्स इन ऑफिस जहाँ पे वो लेट आते हैं तो लेट मार्क लग जाता है? इट्स टू हेल्प देम टू अलाइन देयर एनर्जीज विद टाइम। वी ऑल्सो नो दैट बीता हुआ टाइम वापस नहीं आता, सो वॉट एवर हैज गॉन। If you want to control your time, if you want to make the time work for you, then you need to choose a right kind of wristwatch, which is going to guard your good times, bad times, and everything, and going to help you to energize and align your energies. So why learn from me? मतलब ऐसा क्यों है कि आप मुझसे ही सीखो? Because आई एम समवन हु वेयर्स अ रिस्ट वॉच ऑल द टाइम। ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं आपको पढ़ा रही हूँ तो मैं रिस्ट वॉच नहीं पहन रही हूँ। आई वेयर रिस्ट वॉच ऑल द टाइम। आई एंड माई लाइफ हैज चेंज after correcting my wristwatch and many other things in my life. Like, I have mastered more than 25 modalities. I teach more than 50 courses. I have helped 3,000 plus people to enhance their life and align their energies and help them, handholded them to achieve the life of their dreams. So I am someone who was just exactly like you. मैंने भी एक ऐसा वेबिनार अटेंड किया और उसके बाद में I learned the entire course. I chose the right wristwatch for me and things changed for me. Like many of you over here also know me personally and have seen and witnessed my journey on how I was before and how I am now. I was just a corporate slave. I worked in corporate for 17 years. I helped other people grow their money, other people grow their business, and other people enhance their life. But I did not have the fulfillment. मुझे वो fulfillment ही नहीं था that what am I doing? Where am I heading? I didn't know what is the purpose of my life. When I started aligning, when I learned many things in occult, I started my career as a graphologist, and today I'm teaching more than 50 courses in the last 4 years. I feel this is one of the reasons I have many blogs published. I have my ebook on Amazon, Your Handwriting Speaks About You. So, whenever I am telling somebody that they need to learn from me, I have put things in place. There are testimonials on Google, on Facebook, and many people have been coming to me and telling me in the videos that Vasudha, thank you so much. You've helped us enhance our life. You helped us to achieve our goals. So, this is one reason why you need to learn from me, because I was exactly like you and I upscaled myself to be what I am today. To be able to take this webinar and conduct this beautiful webinar for you. So, wristwatch is your personality. Yes, Ruchi, wristwatch does help to maintain good relationship with others, with yourself. We will learn all of this as we come ahead. I'll also present some case studies where I've helped my client clear a loan worth 2 CR just by having a right kind of wristwatch and aligning certain other things in their life. A wristwatch reflects your personality. How it reflects your personality? By the shape of the watch, the color of the dial, the type of the strap. Like I am wearing a strap which is mix of silver and golden. But मैंने ऐसे क्यों पहना है? We need to know all of this. There is a science behind all of this. The dial's aesthetic. So how does your dial look? Is it a simple dial? Is it a complicated dial? Do we have lot of designer dials? आजकल तो फैशन है, there is a Apple Watch, smart watch, digital watch जो लोग ज्यादा पहनते हैं. The shape of the numbers. What is the font of the numbers? How does that look? The additional features like chronographs. Chronographs is the small छोटा छोटा circle जो watch के अंदर होता है. You must have seen कभी यहाँ पे होता है. Sometimes it is there. Sometimes there are three chronologues in one watch. This is called as chronologue. And there are different type of watches. Watch भी अलग-अलग तरीके का होता है. The images or the designs on the watch. Sometimes there is an animal design. Sometimes we have a flower design. What is the thickness of the watch? Thickness of the dial. तो ये thickness कितना है? All of these things matter, and that helps us to decode your personality through a wristwatch. How many of you have wall clocks at your home? Do you have a wall clock? है घर पर? Okay. What is the direction of the wall clock? Now, this is a tip for all of you. The wall clock always needs to be put in the west or a north direction. You're not supposed to have wall clock in the south or the east direction. Why it is like this? इसके पीछे क्या logic है? ये सारी ही बातें I'll be sharing with you in the entire comprehensive workshop that I'm coming for all of you. Okay. Choosing the right wristwatch. So these are certain different type of watches we see. There is a digital watch, solar watch, quartz watch, and a automatic watch. Let's learn about a digital watch. How many of you are wearing a digital watch? कितने लोग digital watch पहनते हैं, Apple watch पहनते हैं? They are using, like band पहनते हैं, MI band or something like that. So let's see how many of you all are wearing a wristwatch. Sorry, how many of you are wearing a digital watch? So people who wear a digital watch कैसे होता है? आपको बार बार टच करना पड़ता है ना स्क्रीन पे, तभी उसमें लाइट आती है. Otherwise, the light doesn't come. So it helps you to lack motivation and focus because your energy levels keep fluctuating. Anyone who wears a Apple Watch or a digital watch always have frustration and a lot of stress because they struggle to achieve their goals. They feel unrecognized. They feel that people are not recognizing me enough. And whenever the light goes off of that particular watch, they may feel that there is a low energy. So the productivity will get hampered. They will not be able to perform to their true potential. Every time they have to restore the balance and keep up the momentum. So they need to keep on working on themselves. अगर आप चलते हो तो steps count होता है. If you are running, then your speed is counted. वैसे काम करता है डिजिटल वॉच. जब आप कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो तो कुछ नहीं होता है. सो यू फील वेरी लो ऑन एनर्जी. सोलर वॉच. हैव यू सीन द मूवी कोई मिल गया? वीव सीन द मूवी कोई मिल गया, अ पॉपुलर ऋतिक रोशन मूवी. उसमें एक कैरेक्टर है जादू. वो क्या करता है जब उसको पूछते हैं कि आप क्या खाओगे, ही कीप सेइंग धूप. सो सोलर वॉच इज लाइक दैट. इट वर्क्स ओनली व्हेन इट गेट्स द सनलाइट. तो जैसे सनसेट हो जाएगा इनकी एनर्जी खत्म हो जाएगी, इनकी एनर्जी चेंज हो जाएगी. सो वन नीड्स टू अवॉइड वेयरिंग सोलर वॉच because they will struggle a lot in the evening hours after the sunset and won't be able to work. They will struggle to pursue their goals. This is a quartz watch. There is a mistake here. I will correct it later on. So it's a quartz watch. Quartz watch is something that I am also wearing. मैंने भी जो पहना है इसको quartz watch ही कहते हैं. This is one of the best watches, but not the best option. So quartz watch में क्या होता है? बैटरी होती है. और बैटरी का लाइफ कैसे होता है? खत्म हो जाता है ना. बैटरी थोड़ी दिन चलती है फिर खत्म हो जाती है, फिर चेंज करना पड़ता है. तो फिर इस बंदे का नेचर ऐसा होगा. इट इज अ बेटर ऑप्शन, इट्स नॉट अ बैड ऑप्शन एट ऑल, बट फर्स्ट बेस्ट ऑप्शन नहीं है ये. तो दिस पर्सन, जैसे जैसे इनकी उम्र होगी वैसे वैसे उनकी एनर्जी कम होना. दे विल स्टार्ट फीलिंग डिफरेंट एट एवरी पॉइंट ऑफ देयर लाइफ. एंड द वर्क हॉर्स, ये जो भी वॉच में काम करने की मेहनत है वो सैटर्न को रिप्रेजेंट करता है. So if the budget is, if you think that currently you don't have a high budget to afford a right kind of wristwatch or a costlier watch, क्योंकि price of the watch enhances your Venus, शुक्र ग्रह। तो फिलहाल आप कॉर्ड्स वॉच पहन सकते हो, अ राइट काइंड ऑफ कॉर्ड्स वॉच, बट दिस इज अ टेम्पररी। आई ऑलवेज recommend my clients to save money for the best one and then buy the best one itself. But for now, whoever is not wearing the watch and they want to start valuing their time and valuing their self, then they can start wearing a quartz watch. Automatic watch. Automatic watch is the first kind of best option everyone must prefer. These watches are slightly expensive, but these are the best ones to have with you. बिकॉज ये सेल्फ वाइंडिंग है, बैटरी नहीं काम करता है इसमें, सो इट ऑपरेट्स ऑफ नेचुरल मूवमेंट। सो द पर्सन नेचुरली फ्लोज विद देयर कम्युनिकेशन, जो भी उनका बेस्ट है वही बाहर आता है। इट वर्क्स कंटिन्यूअसली, सो इट्स अ सिंबल ऑफ कंटिन्यूटी। जस्ट लाइक योर हार्ट, it beat as long as you are alive. So there is a constant energy flow. इनकी energy levels fluctuate नहीं होती है. This is self-sustaining. So ये राहु देव के पावर को और ज्यादा enhance करता है. वो आपकी energy को enhance करता है. आपको external energy की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती. It works on timeless rhythm. It keeps you connected. So you are completely connected with your soul. You're completely aligned with your soul and you're completely aligned with yourself. So this is one of the best options that anyone can have. So if somebody can afford a automatic watch, they must always prefer the automatic watch. But जैसे हमने देखा कि shape of the dial, belt of the watch, ये numbers, ये सारी चीजें भी मायने रखती है. So don't jump in right now to purchase an automatic watch. Join the course, learn it completely, and then choose the right watch for you and also help others to choose the right kind of watch. Just say we have different shapes. We have square, we have rectangle, we have circle. इस सब का meaning अलग अलग होता है. And it is very important to choose based on your profession on what kind of shape will be suitable for you. आपके profession, आपके goals के लिए कौन सा shape सही रहेगा. And we are going to learn all of this in our comprehensive course. These are some of the feedbacks from the last workshop, from the last comprehensive workshop, which I had taken from the students. So do you find this interesting? Are you finding this interesting? This subject interesting hai? Do you want to go all in, learn, upscale yourself, and also help people to enhance their personality using the right wristwatch? Yes, interesting. Okay, Audrey finds it interesting. Mansi finds it interesting. Yes, Satish, thank you. RM, Nitya, yes. लेट्स डू सम केस स्टडीज। हम कुछ बैड वॉचेस के एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं। अभी मैंने आपको बताया कि सही वॉच कौन सा है, बट जस्ट सी कि बैड वॉचेस भी कौन से होते हैं, बिकॉज आई ऑलवेज लर्नड दिस। माई वन ऑफ माई टीचर यूज टू ऑलवेज टेल मी कि वसुधा, आपकी लाइफ में आपको जो नहीं करना है ना, वो आपको पहले पता होना चाहिए। So when you know that what are the things I should not do in my life, you end up doing the correct thing. You align yourself with the positive attitude. So this is a very famous brand, very popular brand and very expensive brand, Jacob and Company. उनका एक ये watch है जो ऐसे दिखता है. Now in this watch, do you see that the machinery of the watch is entirely visible? पूरा का पूरा मशीनरी दिख रहा है. देर आर होल्स इन द नीडल्स, देर आर पॉइंटेड रेड कलर्स एंड एकदम ही लाल भड़क कलर यूज किया गया है, एंड एवरीवेयर द मशीनरी इज कंप्लीटली विजिबल. नाउ दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ रिस्ट वॉच अगर जो भी पहनता है जहां पे मशीन पार्ट्स विजिबल है, सच पीपल अट्रैक्ट एक्सीडेंट्स इन देयर लाइफ. They attract back surgeries. उनके बैक पेन, बैक सर्जरी हो सकती है, ओपन हार्ट सर्जरी, and they will never be able to keep secret. they are always like a open book. उनके पेट में कोई बात रहेगी नहीं. So if the businessman is wearing a watch like this, वो अपने बिजनेस के सीक्रेट्स को मेंटेन नहीं कर सकता. वो अपने बिजनेस के ट्रेड सीक्रेट्स को भी मेंटेन नहीं कर सकता. So he needs to put extra efforts to keep things secret. Movado watch. This is one kind of watch. It is also a very popular brand. यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है there are no numbers in the watch. There are no numbers. It's completely black. This जो भी बंदा ऐसे वॉचेस पहनेगा जिधर नंबर ही नहीं है कोई भी वॉच में, they will not have any goal in their life. They won't be very ambitious. They won't have that kind of passion जो एक फायर लगता है हमें, जो पैशन लगता है चीजों को करने में. They won't have the driving force. And they have a circle at 12. यहाँ पे जो 12 नंबर आता है इधर सर्कल है. So he is only focused on himself. He's not worried about what others think. He's not worried about what other बाकियों के feelings के बारे में उसे कोई चिंता नहीं है. He is not valuing anybody else but only himself. Hence, it also makes him a little lazy. And whenever there is no second hand in the watch, they will find it all the way more difficult to reach to the goal. So, do we have anyone who is wearing such kind of a watch जहाँ पे numbers ही नहीं हो? Okay, Audrey. So, do you relate to it? I'll unmute you.
I do. It's true,
Yes.
very.
Yeah. So, how many of you all want me to analyze some of your watches? मतलब सबका नहीं कर सकती मैं, but one or two examples I can take. You can send a picture in the Zoom chat, and I will analyze your watch at the end of session, and we will talk with each other. But you will need to be on camera when I'm analyzing. Okay, so how many of you all want me to analyze your watches? How many of you all want me to? Okay, Asha says, Asha ने हाथ ऊपर कर दिया है. I won't take you, Asha, but I'll analyze your watch later. Okay, Tanmay, Farida, yes, yes. So we'll do it on first come first serve basis. Okay, the first three watches जिनके photos आएंगे Zoom chat में, I'll analyze them. So put the photos of your wristwatch in the Zoom chat, and then we will move to the next sessions, next part of our class. जो भी पहले तीन वॉचेस आएंगे Zoom chat में, मैं वो एनालाइज करूंगी. Yes, so Satish has sent the pic. We've got Satish's watch. Satish is the first person I'll analyze the watch. In the Zoom chat, you will have a attachment icon, Ruchi. वहां पे क्लिक करके आप अटैच कर सकती हो. Only 1 minute, guys. हमको और आगे देखना भी है. I want to show you all the case studies of my real clients, real life, real clients, जिसे मैंने help, जिनको मैंने help किया है. Okay, Hetal, you're the second person I'll analyze the watch. ये watch आप हमेशा पहनते हो? I'll unmute you. Okay,
Yes.
okay. You will see a attachment icon. You will see a attachment icon in the Zoom chat और वैसे आप भेज सकते हो. Or I can also see. So whoever is finding it difficult, okay, Ami. So we've got three entries, and rest of the people, you can just post your pictures in the WhatsApp group if you want. I've opened the WhatsApp group who were not able to put it in the Zoom chat, and I'll pick some people from there as well. Okay, Ruchi. All right, all right. I've also opened the WhatsApp group. So if you've been able to put it in the Zoom chat, you can put it in the WhatsApp and I'll pick some people from there as well. I understand some people may have Zoom challenge. One of the other watches, it's a AP watch, जो bad watch का example है. It has hexagon shape. Hexagon shape है इसका, दिख रहा है? You can see this. It has a shape like this. It has a shape like this. Now, and the numbers that it has, see ये number को cut कर रहा है. The 10 number is being cut. ये 12 के यहाँ पे भी cut हो गया है. So these 8 number has been cut. So these are the kind of numbers which are being cut. So whenever you see numbers like this in any kind of wristwatch dial, there will not be a proper energy flow with the cut numbers. जहाँ पे भी numbers cut हो रहे हैं वहाँ पे सही energy नहीं होगी. और ये डायल के ऊपर जो स्क्रूज लगाया हुआ है, दिस इज अ वेरी बैड एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अ डायल. तो ये क्या होता है, मतलब जब स्क्रूज लगे होते हैं, सो व्हाट डू यू फील ऑन हाउ इट इज? Octagon, hexagon, both the watches are not good, Satish. So whenever you see screws like this, it's a very poor dial. It's like just fix कर दिया है कुछ चीज से. There is not a proper make. And as I told you, जो watch बनाने में मेहनत लगती है, that represents Saturn element, शनि देव ग्रह. और जब भी हम ऐसे स्क्रूज वगैरह लगा देते हैं तो हमारा Saturn imbalance हो जाता है. There is no proper energy flow. हार्ड वर्क को ये रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं करेंगे. They will not believe in hard work. They want easy money, easy goals. Now this is ये मेरे client का ही watch है. That's why I've posted a photo like this. So if you see that there are holes in needles. So when you see like this, there are holes in needles. These are the kind of people who always lose any kind of energy. और जो 6 नंबर पे कट है, that means that they have empty needles and also Venus, which represents money, name, fame, success. This person has totally compromised on it. And he is someone who had loans worth crores. He kept on losing money. He kept on failing business. उन्होंने 8 बिजनेस शुरू किया था और आठों का 8 नहीं चला पा रहे थे. He kept on losing money. उनकी प्रॉपर्टीज भी चली गई, उनका घर उनको सेल करना पड़ा. So this is the kind of energy that our wristwatch has. And the moment we changed the wristwatch for him, he started attracting opportunities. Now he is doing one business with stable income for the past 2 years. And it has changed his life amazingly. It's not only wristwatch, बाकी भी चीजें और healings दिया था मैंने उनको, but wristwatch also helped him for his business. This is one other case study. Stopped watches. कितने लोग घर में ये सारी मेमोरीज संभाल के रखते हैं? Stopped wall clock, stop watches. Whenever you have such things, it stops the energy, it makes the energy stagnant. Opportunities, delay, struggle, ये सब हमेशा होता रहता है. तो इसलिए you should never have stopped watches, stopped wall clock. कभी भी नहीं होना चाहिए आपके घर में. जिन लोगों के पास बहुत सारी वॉचेस होती है, वॉच का कलेक्शन, दे कीप ऑन बाइंग मोर एंड मोर वॉचेस. और जो खराब है, जो स्टॉप्ड है, अगर वो उसको डिस्कार्ड नहीं करते हैं तो वो डेट में फंस जाते हैं. गवर्नमेंट के काम में डिलेज होना, गवर्नमेंट के काम में होना. सो आई हैड दिस क्लाइंट जिनको आईटी इश्यूज हो गया था, इनकम टैक्स रिलेटेड. उनको बहुत हैवी फाइन भरना पड़ा था. ओल्ड वॉच वर्सेस न्यू वॉच. So now there are people who like for example अगर कोई घड़ी मैं नहीं पहन रही हूँ, so I kind of give it to my sister or somebody. ऐसा हम करते हैं ना, जो चीज हम यूज नहीं करते, we tend to give it to our maids, we tend to give it to our sister or somebody. We should never do that. ऐसा कभी भी नहीं करना चाहिए कि जो, क्योंकि जो भी बंदा वो वॉच यूज कर रहा है, उसकी एनर्जी उसमें बसी हुई है. तो अगर ये बंदा somebody, if they are very high on anxiety and if they are giving their used watch to someone, the same anxiety will transfer to that new person, and they will absolutely be not aware on why they are behaving the way they are behaving. So you should never give a old watch to anyone. You sell them, you throw them, you discard them, but don't give it to people just like that. Never bargain for wristwatch. Never bargain for wristwatch, because the price of wristwatch represents your Venus. If you're bargaining about wristwatch, that means you are bargaining about what you receive from the universe. हम डिस्काउंट पूछेंगे तो हमें भी डिस्काउंटेड ही मिलता रहेगा हमेशा. सो यू विल बाद में आपको लगेगा कि अरे आई डिजर्व दिस बट आई एम नॉट गेटिंग इट. आई डिजर्व टू अर्न 2 lakhs बट आई एम गेटिंग ओनली 50,000, because we've been having a bargaining mentality. So there was a used Seiko watch which one of my client, उन्होंने बोला that Seiko is very expensive तो मैं किसी को दे दूंगा. But he was going through some psychological problem. जब उन्होंने वो watch किसी को दिया, and he also started feeling the same. जब उन्होंने वो watch वापस दिया मेरे client को, उसके 1-2 हफ्ते बाद उनको ठीक लगने लगा. So you can always sell your watches but don't give it to someone. Now, why the numbers are important? The right numbers that you should have in your watch are 12, 3, 6, and 9. These are very important astrological houses. ये बहुत important घर है, 12, 3, 6 और 9. 9. Milind, ideally you should not keep the old watches at your home unless they are not running. And why would you want to keep watches and have a stagnant energy at home? पुरानी घड़ी जो चल नहीं रही है, पूरी बंद है, you must just discard them, or you get it repaired and you can keep all of them running. And also, it's a sign that you're getting attached with the old things in your life. तो आप में adaptability कम हो जाएगी, flexibility कम हो जाएगी. So it is much better if you have numbers 12, 3, 6, 9. Why? Because 12 represents you, yourself. 3 represents knowledge because it is Jupiter Graha. 6 represents Venus, which is your spouse, money, and clients, relationship, and everyone. And 9 represent your health. तो ये 4 नंबर तो आपके वॉच में होना ही चाहिए. बट दीज डेज वी गेट वॉचेस जिसमें सिर्फ 12 है, 6 है, बाकी नंबर्स नहीं है. So we will study all of this in the entire course, that which are the numbers to have in our watch and why we must have them. So, how many of you want to learn a complete model of wristwatch analysis and therapy and also earn from this? So, you can do this business from home. You can help your friends and family to enhance their life by helping them to choose the right kind of wristwatch. Just put a yes in the chat box if you want to go ahead and learn this. 2 days with me, 3 hours class, and 2 days में आप ये सारा रिस्ट वॉच एनालिसिस, थेरेपी, ये सब कुछ सीख जाओगे. एंड यू कैन लर्न एंड अर्न फ्रॉम होम. एंड दिस इज अ कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव कोर्स. ये कोर्स के बाद आपको दूसरा कोई भी कोर्स करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. यू जस्ट हैव टू वर्क ऑन योर स्किल सेट, योर इंट्यूशन, एंड योर ऑन. आप अपने फ्री टाइम में ये कर सकते हो. यू कैन अर्न इट फ्रॉम योर होम एट योर टाइम. Now is the right time for you to align yourself. because you all have taken this call to attend this webinar and to align yourself. Hitil, I'm not going to answer personal questions if this is good for you or not. That's a part of consulting call. What will you learn in today's comprehensive course? हम क्या सीखेंगे? So we are going to learn the entire syllabus on why one must wear a wristwatch. Wristwatch is the number one remedy for procrastination. Generating wealth through wristwatch, choosing the right wristwatch, shape कैसा होना चाहिए, color कैसा होना चाहिए, कौन से हाथ में पहनना है. Should you gift your wristwatch or not? Or should you take a gift if somebody is giving you? Which brand is good for you? Why some people keep their clock 5 minutes ahead and 5 minutes backward? तो वो ऐसा क्यों करते हैं? Does the price of wristwatch matter? So yes, it does matter. Understanding the numbers on wristwatch, the cut or missing numbers, which watch is the best, digital cords or automatic? I've already given you that tip today. Watch का length कैसा होना चाहिए, width, size of watch, understanding the needles, chronograph कैसे होने चाहिए, and the different type of watches. And we are also going to learn on connecting astrology, numerology with wristwatch. Metallic strap is better, leather strap is better. Too loose and too tight watches कैसा होना चाहिए? वॉचेस जो सर्जरी एक्सीडेंट्स बताते हैं, आज मैंने आपको एक एग्जाम्पल दिखाया, ऐसे कई एग्जाम्पल्स हम आने वाली कोर्स में पढ़ेंगे. We'll learn about the watches which will help for conceiving. These days we get lot of calls. I'm an occult science practitioner for 4+ years and we get these calls, we get these kind of clients जहाँ पे वो बहुत सारा IVF and बाकी रेमेडीज के बाद भी कंसीव नहीं कर पा रहे. So a correct wristwatch can help them to conceive a healthy baby. Which is a watch which is good for students, which is good who are studying in college or any kind of study, who wants to pass the competitive exam. How a watch becomes Venus. हम luxury को कैसे attract कर सकते हैं by activating our Venus through wristwatch. Which are the kind of wall clocks we need to have at home? And more examples of good and bad wristwatches. So this is the entire comprehensive syllabus. Some more feedbacks from my last batch. What are you going to get in it? You'll get PDF notes, the entire PDF. You will have the recordings. You will have WhatsApp support, mentor support for 3 months. You will get special discount on all the counseling and services that I do. I will, and if you want to take personal counseling from me to help you choose the right wristwatch, there will be discounted price available because all of you are going to be a part of my family. And the bonus, I will give you a wall clock which will help you to increase your online sales. So अगर आप घर बैठे बैठे wrist watch का analysis करके पैसा कमाना चाहते हो, I will also help you to choose the right kind of wall clock which will give you continuous orders, continuous clients and helps you increase the client. I will give you the energy circle for money, vastu balancing and health. जो मैंने खुद मेरे पीछे लगाए हुए, these are called as energy circles, and the same energy circles which has helped me to move ahead in my life and quit my high paying job and become a spiritual entrepreneur. वही सारे secrets energy circles मैं आपको देने वाली हूँ. You'll get special discounted offer for all consulting healing sessions that we do. You and customized watches. So I'll also give you a option where we can customize a wristwatch for you and you can get it the way you want. And जैसे मैंने मेरे wristwatch को customize करवाया, you will also get an opportunity to wear a customized watch and enhance your life. All of this is generally priced at 9999. But all of you who have taken out time on Sunday morning doesn't have to pay this much. I have really special and like a no-brainer offer for you. All of this comes to you. So do you want me to tell you the special price that I have for you, which will help you to learn and earn and upscale your business and upscale yourself? Okay. So I have a no-brainer offer for you. It's an offer that you can't resist. All of this comes to you because this is an introductory class that I am taking. This is मैंने एक ही बैच सिखाया और उसके बाद मैं आज ही पढ़ा रही हूँ. So you all are going to be a part of my second batch of wristwatch. And all of this comes to you at a no-brainer price for only 1,999. You get everything, two comprehensive sessions, 3 hours of class, PDF, recordings, mentor support, and discounted prices on all of our healing sessions. Everything for only 1,999. Is this interesting? So, yes, I will share the details, everything on our WhatsApp and also on Zoom chat. Now I will answer all the questions that you have. Anything you want to ask me about the course, on how is it going to be? We are going to have the sessions on 18th and 19th of January. And the timings can be in the evening, 7:30 to 10 or 7:30 to 10:30. Or in case if you want, or in case if you go ahead and want to have a customized timing, mutually we can decide, and then we will discuss about the timing. So I will share all the information with you where you can go ahead and sign up for the package. And after this, once I share all the information, I'll put everything in the chat, in the WhatsApp group and also the Zoom chat. और उसके बाद में I'll analyze the watches, जो मैंने आपको promise किया है कि मैं कुछ लोगों के watches analyze करूंगी. So I will do that for you. So I'm sharing the link in the WhatsApp. Wristwatch also helps in getting married. Yes, Ruchi. वो आपके रिलेशनशिप एलिमेंट को बैलेंस कर देता है. सो ऑल दीज प्रॉब्लम्स वेयर यू हैव अबाउट द मैरिज, यू आर नॉट एबल टू गेट मैरिड and things like that, we can help using the wristwatch and certain numerology techniques also. Okay, 1 minute. I think I posted the wrong message. We will learn about the pocket watches, Tanmay. We will learn about the pocket watches and everything. कैसा रहता है, सब कुछ हम पढ़ेंगे. एंड वी विल ऑल्सो हैव एक्स्ट्रा सेशंस इफ नीडेड. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको बस 2 दिन में ही अगर लग रहा है ऐसे, यू विल गेट द रिकॉर्डिंग्स. यस, यू विल गेट द रिकॉर्डिंग्स. You can learn from the recordings. I have posted the syllabus and the link in the WhatsApp chat. So you can sign up. You can just click on the link, and I'm also putting it in the Zoom. Okay, in the Zoom we have certain character limit. Yes, you will have WhatsApp support. All the queries that you have, in case if you're not able to attend the sessions, I will answer every query. You can also message me personally for the query in case if it is a personal question, Kritika, or you can put it in the WhatsApp group, which is meant for the support. You can go through the recording. You will have recording for 3 to 6 months. You will be able to customize a watch, Farida. You will just need a vendor who will customize it for you. So I have a vendor who does it for me. तो आप वैसे किसी को भी ढूंढ सकते हो. You can collaborate with them and customize the watches. Once you learn this class, you will be able to give out all these remedies to your friends and family. And in case if you want to invite one of your friends for this wristwatch workshop, then we have a special gratitude as a gratitude token. We'll give you some special discount for the course. So in case if you want to invite your friends and family who is not from our community, then you're most welcome. Just send me a message on WhatsApp and I will give you that special gratitude token where you can avail the special 30% discount. So now let's see. We had Satish who had sent his watch first. So I'm just opening his wristwatch right now. Satish, will you be able to validate it for me if I analyze it for you live? Are you there?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Is it possible for you to come on the screen? Okay. Thank you so much for being there. Good to see a Grapho friend in the
Thank
session.
you.
Okay. So Satish ji, the watch that you have shared, the white color dial and all is okay. It is also a costly watch and a very good brand, so that is also good. But the chronologues और ये 6 में जो guard बन गया है ना, so somewhere do you have any kind of insecurities related to finances? आपको ऐसा लगता है that you should save money, you should guard your money, you need a better money for your future?
No.
Okay. You have 12 and 6, so you are focused on yourself. The number point is good. You are somebody who is continuously into self development. You keep on upgrading yourself. Is that correct?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Just these chronologues which are blocking 3 and 9. So, somewhere the knowledge that you have, you may not be able to encash it completely. So, you may feel that you have all the knowledge, but you're not able to monetize it completely. So, true potential उसका जितना है, जितना आपको मिलना चाहिए, उतना आपको नहीं मिल रहा होगा. Because Jupiter में chronologue आ गया है. And whenever we have such things, the person is knowledgeable. They have immense knowledge, but somehow they are not able to encash their complete knowledge.
Yes.
And how about your health? So, are you somebody who is very much conscious about health? Like you must be doing exercise routine and things like that to take care of your health?
Yes, yes.
Yes. So, you're someone who also cares a lot about time. So, you're very much time conscious too. So, if you have set up a meeting, you'll reach there early, but you will never be late.
Yes, yes. Correct.
Yes. What do you do, Satishji? I know you are a graphologist, but apart from that,
Actually, I'm a professor.
okay, you're a professor.
Yes. I teach chemistry.
Okay. So so do you think that does students feel that you are very approachable? They can come and talk to you whatever they want. So they are not afraid of you.
Yes, yes. Correct.
Yeah, because you have that kind of warmth in your personality. So you make people feel comfortable. You're someone who would not criticize somebody. You will always have that warmth when you're talking. So they are a big fan. Maybe you will have a lot of fans. So people may want to learn the subject from you. They may feel that you're the best teacher for that particular subject.
Yes, correct.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for analysis.
Yes. Thank you, please.
Okay.
So the next watch that we've received is of Hetal. Hetal, yes, Hetal. How are you, Hetal?
Fine, how are you?
I'm also good, thank you. So Hetal, आपने जो वॉच पहना है ना, इसके बेल्ट में so when I look at this watch, I see that you have lot of trust issues. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you have gone through a lot in your life, and that is why you feel very difficult to trust others. यू आर ऑल्सो लिटिल शॉर्ट टेम्पर्ड. आपको कभी कभी बहुत जल्दी गुस्सा आ जाता है, जल्दी ठंडा भी हो जाता है, बट आता बहुत जल्दी है. you are not a very good listener. So at times you are more into your own world. तो सामने वाला कुछ बोल रहा है ना तो वो पूरा रजिस्टर नहीं होता है आपको. So you selectively listen things. You are very much conscious about yourself. So self development ये सारी चीजों में आप फोकस करना चाहती हो. बट कुछ ना कुछ ऑब्स्टिकल्स आपको हमेशा आ जाते हैं. So whatever you want to do, there is always a delay, there's always a struggle. Like you're not able to establish yourself.
Yes.
Right. And how about your health? Is it kind of up and down?
Yes.
Okay. I also see some kind of hormonal imbalances also. Is that correct? Okay. What profession are you into, Hetal?
Same profession. Occult science.
Okay. So how is it? आपको क्लाइंट से कनेक्ट हो जाता है? नहीं ना? Yeah. Okay. So you learn this. मतलब, see, we have other trainers who teach the same course for 30,000 and 15,000. But here I want to add more value in your life. So that is why it is priced at such a thing जहाँ पे we want to create more and more wristwatch analysts. So you learn this, you help yourself, and you also help others. It will add up to everything that you are doing, and you will also attract the right kind of clients. तो अभी
Sure.
आपके क्लाइंट्स आते होंगे ना जिनको बहुत पैसा नहीं देना है. दे मस्ट बी बार्गेनिंग. आप थोड़ा कम कर दो, यही रेट में दे दो, ऐसा करते रहेंगे.
बहुत होते हैं. फ्री में कर दो.
हाँ, तो यही दिक्कत है. सो यू जस्ट गो ahead. Okay, you want me to show her wristwatch? It is there in the chat. I will show it on the screen.
Just a second.
Okay, you can show your wristwatch, Hetal. I'll spotlight. जो फोटो आपने भेजा था ना, आप दिखा दो एक बार स्क्रीन पर.
So,
I will share this. This is the kind of watch that Hetal has. इसी को मैंने अभी एनालाइज किया था. हेतल, यू मे ऑल्सो फील कि आपको ना और सीखना चाहिए, आपके पास कंप्लीट नॉलेज नहीं है. तो जब तक आपका ये फीलिंग नहीं होगा ना, तब तक है ना, यू विल बिकम लाइक अ लर्निंग जंकी. यू जस्ट कीप ऑन लर्निंग थिंग्स एंड यू वोंट बी एबल टू मोनेटाइज इट.
sure.
ओके, so let me see who else. और किसका वॉच एनालाइज करना है. इन केस इफ यू हैव साइंड अप फॉर द कोर्स, देन लेट मी नो इन द चैट सो आई कैन ऑफिशियली वेलकम यू टू अवर फैमिली. So I'll pick one more person. Ami. Did I pronounce your name correctly, Ami? Is that Ami Kim?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so let's analyze your watch. What I'll do is I'll share your watch on the screen.
Sure.
Yeah. So this is a watch you shared, right, Ami?
Yes.
Okay. So, Ami, by looking at this watch, I feel that you always believe in having a luxury life, premiumness, and what do you do?
So I stay in Dubai and I'm into sales and so I'm into Bitcoin trading basically.
Okay, all right. So Bitcoin trading में आपको ऐसी कोई दिक्कत आता है कभी? Sometimes the returns keeps on fluctuating.
Yeah, but that is there, like it has
Yeah.
to be there. There cannot be
Yeah.
fixed returns. Yeah.
Correct. So whoever you deal with, so you have quite a premium type of community. So the people in your community are quite premium, and you have kind of
Yes.
VIP circle. You believe in having all the luxury, and you know what
Yes.
exactly you want in your life. I see a lot of clarity on where you want to go and what you want to do.
Exactly. Yes.
Yes, the only thing I see these are like kind of the positive points. The other points is कभी कभी है ना आप गोल के बहुत क्लोज चली जाती हो और
Hmm.
उसमें दिक्कत आती है इन द एग्जीक्यूशन पार्ट ऑफ इट लाइक द
Yes.
एंडिंग
Yeah.
पार्ट ऑफ इट तभी तक वो
True.
पूरा स्मूथ हो जाता है बट व्हेन इट इज द टाइम फॉर यू टू जस्ट हिट द बटन एंड एनकैश इट तभी दिक्कतें आ जाती है दैट इज व्हाट आई
Right.
सी
Right.
and you're someone who values your time not the others time
Yes.
so you're very much conscious about yourself your dressing the way you look and the way you carry yourself
Since
True.
there may be
उन
little
दूसरे
bit health
जगह जो है
challenges
is almost
so
double the price.
you may I request the other people to please be on mute. One second, I'll just mute. So you're someone आपका health में there are little challenges मतलब अभी I see a good health for you but there have been challenges in your health right?
Minor, like, yeah,
Yeah.
of lately I am going through some hormonal imbalance and something like
Correct.
that.
But you're someone who also believe in having a good lifestyle. So you may be having a routine that you follow. You're somebody who is
Yes, yes,
principled and disciplined that way. You
yes,
are also a
true.
good networker. So you like meeting new people. You like going to functions. You like enhancing your
Yeah,
circle. उसमें आप बहुत ज़्यादा believe करते हो.
true.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Okay. Farida. Farida, where is your watch? Where have you sent it?
Yes, ma'am. The brown type, chrome brown.
You shared it on WhatsApp?
Yeah.
Okay, let me check.
I don't know why every time I attract to add that.
Okay. So just in the meanwhile, you can just click on the link and register the others so that I can officially welcome you.
How do I go?
You can just click on the link that I have shared and you can register for the course. And let me check Farida's watch. Where is it? Okay, the Giordano one, that's your
Hmm.
watch?
Hmm.
Yeah.
And I have one Rado gifted from my mom. I don't know. I feel like wearing it. Yeah, this one.
Acha. I will just analyze this watch for you now. And Baki, when you come in the course, we'll analyze more and more samples.
Okay, ma'am.
So in your watch, there are no numbers, Sarita. There are no numbers, Farida. So do you feel that somewhere you're very unsure on what exactly are you doing? What exactly do you want in your life?
Somehow.
Yes. You're actually seeking a lot of clarity.
Yes.
You are little impulsive at times. At times, you tend to react on silly things.
I do agree.
Yes. So, you are more worried about your day-to-day things, like आपका रोज का कैसे जा रहा है, the daily things. ऐसी कोई बड़ा ambition नहीं नजर आ रहा है.
No, I have.
Okay.
Struggling with that.
हाँ, maybe you have, but because you're seeking clarity, you may not be aware about it कि कैसा जाना है. So somewhere you feel a little lost at times. You don't have that particular roadmap to reach where you want to.
Keep on searching, like learning,
Correct, correct.
understanding.
Right. And how is your health?
Uh, yes. I follow Sydney ma'am's guideline and
Okay,
following on what she advised.
correct. Yes, so these guidelines have really helped me. It has really helped me a lot. Welcome, Audrey. Welcome for the course. Welcome, Tanmay.
So should I wear this or I stop wearing?
So stop wearing it. It also showing trust issues, lot of insecurities, anxiety भी है थोड़ा.
So more of white color or silver, golden?
Yeah, you join the course. I want you to learn and choose the right watch for you.
Okay.
Yes, join the course because it will help you. Or you can book a consulting, but I want you to learn. I mean, at the price of consulting, if you get to learn the entire knowledge, then why not?
We'll learn first, then we'll consult, so we can
Yes,
understand each
yes,
other better.
yes, yes. Let's do that. So
And
me and
customize as per your advice.
yeah, we need to have this kind of community where we are helping each other, which adds up to the team value and which adds up to a lot of things. So thank you everyone, and I'm so happy everyone who has been signed up for the course will be added to a different WhatsApp group where we will share every detail about the course. फिर जो भी है, the further discussion we'll do on the course. I would love to see all of you in the course, and I'm very excited to share all my knowledge in 2 days with everybody of you. In case if you have any feedback for today's webinar, please feel free to share in our WhatsApp group. And I'm looking forward to see you everyone. Thank you so much. Have an amazing weekend.
I feel, ma'am, this webinar has reached to people who really wanted to
Thank
change or do something better.
you so much,
So it
Farida.
has reached to those people.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much. Yes, welcome. And namaste, everybody.
Namaste. Radhe Radhe.
Yeah.